Hello students. Last session we have discussed about transverse electric field equations, TE field equations separately. Now we are going to discuss about TM field equations. To get transverse magnetic TM mode is nothing but you have to substitute Hz equal to 0 in field components. That is Ex, Ey, Hz, Hx, Hy. These are the field components equations which are involving in Ez, Hz components. Okay, so you have to substitute Hz equal to 0. If you substitute Hz equal to 0, what are the components are getting equal to 0? And what are the components which are not equal to 0? You have to write down here. So if Hz equal to 0, from these field components equations, Hx equal to Ey equal to 0. Hx and Ey. These two equations which are involving in dou Hz by dou x, dou Hz by dou x. So if Hz equal to 0, Ey, Hx equal to 0. And what are the components not equal to 0? Ex, Hy, similarly Ez. These are the three components not equal to 0. Electric field along x direction and z direction, magnetic field along y direction. These are not equal to 0. Now we have to derive the expression for these three equations. Okay, so you have to consider the same procedure. Consider equation dou square Hy by dou x square is equal to minus gamma x square H. In previous session we have considered dou square Ey by dou x square is equal to minus gamma x square into E, because it is transverse electric wave equations. Now we are discussing about transverse magnetic, that's why you have to take the equations which is involving in magnetic terms, magnetic field intensities. Okay, consider this as equation 1. Now what we did in the last session, we have applied boundary conditions for the second order differential equation solution. Okay, so this is the second order differential equation and we have considered the solution, and for that solution we have applied boundary conditions. But here boundary conditions can't be applied directly to magnetic fields. If we observe the boundary conditions in the last session, electric field component, tangential electric field component is equal to 0 for the fields for the boundaries x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Okay, that is the boundary conditions. But here the term involving in magnetic field. So for the magnetic field we can't directly apply the boundary conditions. So what we have to do? We have to bring the electric field equation in terms of this magnetic field. Then we can apply the boundary condition. Okay. So here from equation 1, what is the solution for the second order differential equation? Hy is equal to, okay, C3 cos gamma x of x plus C4 sin gamma x of x into e power minus gamma z. Consider this as equation 2. Now one of the field equation dou by dou x Hy is equal to j omega epsilon Ez. So this is dou by dou x Hy, that is expression 16. Right? Consider this expression 16. So from this expression I am writing Ez is equal to. So you have to take whatever the equation, not only 16, you have to consider the equation such that it should involve Hy and Ex are Hy Ez. Okay, now I have considered Hy Ez equation. You may have the equation which is involving in Hy and Ex. I think it is equation 14. Okay, you can consider the 14 equation also. Okay, so Ez is equal to 1 by j omega epsilon dou by dou x Hy. So what is Hy? This one, substitute here. So Ez is equal to 1 by j omega epsilon. Do the differentiation dou by dou x C3 cos gamma x of x plus C4 sin gamma x of x into e power minus gamma z. Now do the differentiation for this equation. Okay, so I will get Ez is equal to